how to fix Instagram code not sending problem. It's an easy process, so let's start. So hello everybody, hit the subscribe button, that's helped me guys, so thank you. So I know open Instagram account, or if you want any if you're facing any problems and you want to recover your account, or you want to reset your password and then Instagram code not sending. So in this case, just you have to do something that's help you. So just go to the profile and then click to the three dot menu and then click to the settings options and then click to the help options. After that, click to the report a problem options and click to the report problem without tracking. After that, click to the don't include and continue options and then type code not sending in my phone or in my mobile. After that, click to the send options and then your messages will be received on your account. So also you can do two things. First one is install and reinstall the Instagram app and then just restart your device. After that, your problem will be solved, and just check it out, your network is turned on or off. After that, those steps should be helpful for you. So thank you guys.